So hello everyone, welcome back to all you board regulatory bodies. And as you are expecting and waiting for SEBI Grade A 2024 notification, which is going to come out on 13th of April. And what are the reason why most of the students are eagerly waiting for it? Yes, दो ही चीजें हैं जिसके लिए लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. First is the exam dates and second is will there be any syllabus change or not. So syllabus change already I have discussed that there are high chances that maybe descriptive part may be added, okay, or maybe it may not. ठीक है, लेकिन descriptive part अगर आप अच्छे से prepare करते हो for all the 6 subjects, definitely you should be ready for it. ठीक है, related to subject matter syllabus change is not going to happen. Now when it comes for the next part, that is exam dates, let us today in this particular video discuss what could be the expected exam dates for SEBI Grade A 2024, and not only that, we will also discuss that will SEBI and RBI happen at the same time or not, and if yes, then what should be your strategy and how should I prepare for SEBI and RBI together. So let's discuss that. As you all know, the notice is out. SEBI Grade A की notice तो आ ही चुकी है, उसमें अब notification आएगा 13th of April को, ये तो हमें पता है. So what the dates are going to be? So notification comes on 13th of April and exam, if you see, you can expect it last week of May or first week of June. Phase 1 जो आप expect कर रहे हो वो either last week of May में आएगा या फिर first week of June में, and phase 2 whatever I'm talking about similarly will come in July. This is one of the brief period जब आपका phase 1 और phase 2 definitely हो सकता है. Now why this is simple? In regulatory bodies, if you see, whenever a notification comes, you get 35 to 40 days for your phase 1 and similarly again 30 to 40 days for your phase 2. So a gap of 30 days is there, approximate 30 days gap. So that is why if the notification comes on 13th of April, you can definitely expect the exam to happen after almost 30 to 40 days, which is last week of May or first week of June, and similarly 30-40 days के बाद आपका phase 2 exam होगा. So I hope, how much days we are left for your SEBI Grade A preparation? Yes, अगर आप 13th April से अगर आप day count करोगे even till phase 1, but SEBI का phase 1 होता है बहुत ही easy, ठीक है, already 30% 40% cut offs are given. QRE easy level का होता है, and whatever commerce and accountancy, costing, then your finance, management, economics, ये जो subjects है, कंपनीज एक्ट, ये सारे जो सब्जेक्ट्स है वो भी फेज 1 में इजी लेवल के एमसीक्यूज पूछे जाते हैं. सो हियर द मेन सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया इज एक्चुअली योर फेज 2. सो इफ यू कीप ओवरऑल अ टाइम फ्रेम, सो यू आर ऑलमोस्ट गेटिंग 75 डेज, 70 to 75 डेज फॉर योर प्रिपेरेशन. आपको 70 से 75 दिन मिल रहे हैं कंप्लीट द सिलेबस फॉर ऑल द 6 सब्जेक्ट्स एंड इवन प्रिपेयर इट, क्योंकि और 4-5 एक्स्ट्रा जो दिन रहेंगे वो तो आपके मॉक टेस्ट में चले जाएंगे. सो आई होप कि इससे आपको एक आइडिया आएगा. नॉट ओनली दैट, फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर थिंकिंग सर within this 75 days I won't be able to cover the syllabus, how to do my preparation on own, don't worry, we have already launched a course for all of you, and here you could see this is all you boards SEBI Grade A complete course 2024 phase 1 and phase 2. 80 plus live classes are there for all the 6 subjects: commerce and accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics, covering phase 1 and phase 2 syllabus, and these are live classes. कोई भी pre-recorded classes नहीं है like rest of the platforms. This SEBI Grade A complete course is completely live. ठीक है, QRE के sessions भी आपको मिल रहे हैं, okay, and not only that, special English answer writing sessions are also there. Along with that, 80 plus detailed notes for all the 6 subjects for phase 1 and phase 2. Topic wise test would be provided for all the 6 subjects, phase 1 as well as phase 2, and not only that, descriptive tests also are provided here. The most important thing is that the course is live, becoming live on 23rd of March, so you have still ample of time to join the course. And not only that, the offer is also going on right now. Ramadan का offer चल रहा है, so now grab your seats. I'm already telling you, okay, it's our responsibility in this course कि हम आपका सिलेबस ही बस नहीं कवर कराएंगे, but will also give you such a conceptual clarity that you will be different from the competition, okay, and you will outsmart them. So now let us discuss the डेट्स ऑफ आरबीआई। तो अगर हम आरबीआई के डेट्स देखें, इफ यू, अब सेबी का तो हमें पता लग चुका है, नोटिफिकेशन इन अप्रैल, phase 1 exam in the last week of May or first week of June, and then phase 2 in July. What about RBI? So RBI notification also, if you see, you can expect RBI notification again in this month only. इसी month में आप RBI की notification expect कर सकते हो. Yes, in this month only you can expect. And जो एग्जाम है आपकी, अगर नोटिफिकेशन अप्रैल एंड तक नहीं आई तो नोटिफिकेशन आपकी मई में भी आ सकती है. सो द नोटिफिकेशन टाइमिंग कुड बी ईदर द 4th week और लास्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल और योर मे मंथ. अगर आपकी नोटिफिकेशन इस टाइम पे आती है, डेफिनेटली द डेट्स फॉर फेज 1 एंड फेज 2 अप्रोक्सीमेट डेट्स है ये, 25 जून फॉर फेज 1 एंड 27 जुलाई फॉर फेज 2. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द अप्रोक्सीमेट डेट्स. अब फिर से हिसाब लगा के देखो, इवन फॉर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी ऑल्सो यू आर गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट 75 to 80 डेज. ओके, आपको आरबीआई ग्रेड बी के लिए भी सेम अमाउंट ऑफ 75 डेज मिल रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इट शोज, यस, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इंटीग्रेटेडली फॉर आरबीआई एज वेल एज फॉर सेबी. एंड इट इज not a huge task. It seems to be a huge task, but actually it's one of the greatest opportunity available for you guys. This year it is an opportunity which has come up to you. It is not a challenge but rather a opportunity. Okay, अब opportunity क्यों है? Because in both of the exams, if you see SEBI, अगर आप SEBI consider करते हो या फिर अगर आप RBI consider करते हो, okay, both of these exams are having certain common subjects, and certain uncommon subjects. So what you can do is that these common subjects you can prepare in one lot, and these uncommon subjects you can devote a separate timing, and you can even prepare for both of these exams. This is a hidden opportunity for all the students. As I told you the dates, these are approximate dates, but you can see that both SEBI and RBI are coming in this June-July phase only. So that is why I think you should not miss on this particular opportunity. Now there are also various students who will be saying, sir, kaise karenge, how to prepare for both of these exam? So one more thing I'll tell, if you need guidance, we are there for you. So already for RBI grade B also, considering that everywhere notification talks are there, so therefore we have launched a 75 days personalized mentorship program for RBI grade B 2024. So if you are student and if you are aiming for both RBI as well as SEBI, you can definitely go for this personalized mentorship program. Here we provide not just a course, it is a guidance program. From the start of your preparation till your selection, this is what we provide here. Not only that, we have also launched a complete RBI grade B crash course. हमने complete एक crash course भी आपके लिए launch किया है. Also for phase 2, just for phase 2 subjects, we have also provided integrated course also. Integrated course की खासियत ये है कि अगर आप किसी भी एक सब्जेक्ट, ये सारे आपके सब्जेक्ट्स हैं आरबीआई ग्रेड बी के, ESI, फाइनेंस, मैनेजमेंट, करंट अफेयर्स, डिस्क्रिप्टिव. ESI में जाइए, here in ESI go in any topic. Here first the lecture is there of Lakshmi ma'am, of the faculty. Then notes are there at the one place only. मतलब वो वीडियो लेक्चर देखने के बाद उसी टॉपिक के रिलेटेड नोट्स है, और उसके बाद टेस्ट भी यहां है. सो डायरेक्टली आप टेस्ट पर जा सकते हो और उस टॉपिक के रिलेटेड टेस्ट भी दे सकते हो. नॉट ओनली दैट, along with the class, here the descriptive answer writing video is also provided. तो दोनों चीजें आप डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो एंड यू कैन वॉच. सो इट इज फॉर ऑल द टॉपिक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी एक टॉपिक सिलेक्ट कर लो, जैसे कि हो गया ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फिस्कल पॉलिसी एंड पब्लिक फाइनेंस. तो फिस्कल पॉलिसी 1 घंटे का क्लास है लक्ष्मी मैम का. उसके बाद फिर से 1 घंटे का फिस्कल पॉलिसी 1, फिस्कल पॉलिसी 2, 2 क्लासेस है. उसके बाद डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग के लिए एक सेपरेट क्लास है. देन कम्स द नोट्स ऑफ फिस्कल पॉलिसी, यस, and then comes your notes के बाद test for the fiscal policy. So in this way, such integrated preparation, that means you get class, you get notes, and you get tests, everything at one place only. So here comes for management similarly, here comes for current affairs also similarly, and here comes for your finance also similarly. So in this way, I think you should definitely, even if you want, you can join the integrated course. So this RBI Grade B Phase 2 complete course 360 degree. ये आपका 360 degree in the sense what? Coverage of a topic from 360 degree point of view. वीडियो भी, नोट्स भी, टेस्ट भी, सारी चीजें एक ही जगह पर. So this is integrated way of preparation. Not only that, we have also launched RBI Grade B crash course also for phase 1, phase 2. All the classes are live. The classes are live from yesterday, 15th of March. ठीक है? So therefore, and descriptive also, just for answer writing also, we have launched a course. All the courses are on our regulatory dashboard. Go on Olive Board and check it out. For SEBI Grade A aspirants, you can definitely go and check out the SEBI Grade A course. I already gave the details to you. And for RBI Grade B aspirants also, all the details have been given. So thank you very much and see you next time.